What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor?
What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning.
Put him in the scuppers with the hosepipe on him. Put him in the scuppers with the hosepipe on him.
Put him in the scuppers with a hosepipe on him early in the morning. Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning.
I am Christopher and we're from the Auckland Shanty Singers. I'm here with my motley crew to sing shanty and songs of the sea at the Morpeth Northumbrian Gathering 2024. It's lovely to be here at this lovely cultural centre of the Northeast.
Tell us a little bit about how you got together and what it is that you do.
Well, I moved up to County Durham from the south about 6 years ago, and I really wanted to give back to the community that I'd taken me into their heart and made a home for me. And so I started this as a community singing group because sea shanties, everybody can sing and join into. They're really wonderful, call and answer, and a wonderful tradition. 25% of people here in the Northeast would have gone to the sea in one shape or form at one time. So it's a big tradition, and we're here to encourage that and help people find their voice individually and in the communities, in the audiences we go to.
Tell us about how you recruited people. What sort of people become shanty singers?
Well, really all I did was use Facebook like everyone does, and also handed out sheets into local clubs and music places where they have live music, and people would just come along and try it out. It's literally £1 at the jar and a drink at the bar, so it's very user friendly and people find their way as they come. To be honest, some people come along and can't find their feet, they're a bit nervous, but a load of people who come and join in and end up leading, who never thought they could sing, didn't know they could hold a tune, end up really finding a place with us.
And what's the most enjoyable thing about it?
I think the most wonderful thing about it is singing together as a group. There's something healing about joining together in voices. There's something healing about getting that natural sense of harmony and movement and togetherness. And that's probably the biggest, that's the heart and soul of the music. From there, we have a lot of fun coming out to places, sharing this music, encouraging other people, giving people a taste of it. And then we go out and dress up as pirates and have pirate nights and have a great load of fun doing that. And we've ended up doing private gigs and functions, and it's simply growing from there because we're keeping it real and keeping it really solid.
So do you do many events like this, the Morpeth Gathering?
Yes, we do. We're down to Cornwall in a couple of weeks, down at Port Isaac, the home of the Fishermen Friends, to join in what's, gold in terms of shanty music. And we can't wait to go down there. We also go to festivals all up and down the Northeast, sometimes raising money for charity, raising money for the RNLI, of course, as you would, taking part in things like All Disabilities Matter in Newton for the mayor, and also doing a lot of private functions where people really want to have a laugh and have something traditional, knees up. And so you're always welcome to contact us on Facebook and connect with us, and we'll talk about getting a gig together for you.
And this isn't your first time at the Gathering, is it?
No, it's the second time. We came up last year and we're really blessed to be coming back. And I speak so highly of keeping this happening for 55 years, I think. It's amazing.
And if people want to join up, how do they
connect with us on Facebook? If you just type in the Auckland Shanty Singers, you will find us. Message us. We're always posting details, and you'll see them in our posts of where we meet, which is Shildon near Bishop Auckland. We're the Auckland Shanty Singers because we're at Bishop Auckland.
Yeah, and last time I looked on a map, Bishop Auckland was a long way from the sea.
Well, actually, if you go to Durham, which is a long way from the sea, you'll see Neptune in the town square. And people would go off to the coast and join in ships and travel all over the world, frankly. So, as well as mining, shipping was a big part of our culture.